Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is number 7 of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. Before we begin, there's another video on the channel that you might find useful as well. In that video, I show you how to freeze the top row of any sheet so that when you scroll down, you don't lose those headers. Go ahead, check it out after this video. The 7th tip I'm going to share with you is how to number hundreds of cells in seconds without having to type every single number by hand. Here I have this list of data that I want to number from 1 to 100. To quickly number these cells, start by typing 1 and 2 in the first 2 cells that you want numbered. Then, select those 2 cells and hover over the bottom right-hand corner until you see your pointer turn into a plus sign. While your pointer is a plus sign, double-click and Excel will number all of the cells to the bottom of your data. It's as simple as that. Some caveats with this tip are that it will only work if you're numbering right next to another column, either to the right or to the left. Otherwise, Excel won't know how far down to go, so it won't go at all. Another is that you must have the cells selected before double-clicking, because Excel only looks at the cells you have highlighted to determine what pattern to use to autofill the rest of the cells. For example, if I only have this cell selected and double-click the plus sign, Excel will assume that I only want it to look at that cell when determining the pattern, and thus will only copy that cell's value. Be honest, have you been typing numbers manually all this time? Let's talk about it and some other cool tips in the comments. If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter and not harder.